Hi there, how are you? My name is Daniel, and this is my space, and you're welcome. And I am here to tell you that I'll start posting videos about farming, okay? And all these videos will be my experience, the few experience that I've gained that I'm farming. And in my next few videos, I'm hoping to introduce you to my small humble place and the small projects I've started here, and I really am hoping that we're going to be friends. And with all this said, thank you. My farm is a bit messy, my passion fruits all in ruin, and I hope you don't mind because I'm going to make sure I sort it out in my next video, okay? Yeah, that's the whole point of this video. Thanks. Well, farming is a beautiful venture, and that you may want to try it out for a couple of reasons. It is scalable, and you can start small, and with time you should be able to scale up however you like. And that's the most amazing thing, being able to begin with what you have, however little it is. No pressure, and then you will scale up bit by bit. It's also no longer a secret that ventures that are scalable, such as farming, with the right strategies, they have the potential of paying you way more than your 9 to 5 job will ever do. Okay? So if you don't have a side hustle, you better get one, and I would recommend farming. Okay? Farming is fun. Just get a few old containers and start your small kitchen garden in your veranda. It is a way of expressing your ideas, and we are dealing with life and nature. I'll also be sharing with you, especially my poultry journey, why you might want to acquire a few backyard chickens for yourself too. Farming is also a way of practicing resilience. Okay, whenever things don't go the way they should have, there is always a second chance. Well, I'm also just getting started, as you can see, and apparently my passion fruits is in ruins, but I will eventually have to figure out a way of getting back on my feet. Okay, and in my next video I am really promising to showcase a bit of improvement in my passion fruits field. So right on this other end of my plantation, I've decided to venture in a bit of bananas. I have like 100 stems, and I've intercropped them with passion fruits, as you can see, although they are still in ruins. Okay, I've not weeded them, and they are just crawling down. I mean the passion fruits. Okay, but I'm hoping to, with time, get them up and stake them. In my next video, we're going to see a bit of change. Yeah, and the banana leaves, as you may have noticed, are burnt. They are wilting because of scorching heat. Because there has been a lot of sunshine in this past 4 or 5 weeks, so the bananas have really had it rough. Yeah, so this is my place, as you're seeing. It's a bit disorganized with weed all over, but yeah, I needed to begin from somewhere, and I thought I should start the way I've started. Anyway, as you have seen, I have a few poultry, around 6 of them. I have 100 stems of bananas and 500 vines of passion fruits, which are in ruin apparently. Okay, Yeah, this is my place, and I'm hoping in my subsequent videos that I'm going to improve and come out with something that is better than what I've showcased today. Otherwise, thanks for your time and thanks for watching for all this time. And yeah, I hope to see you again next time. Bye.